Hello student, in this video we are going to learn about the components type in React. So there are two types of component in the React. First, function component, second, class component. First we talk about the component. What are the components? What is the component? So component in the React used to create user interface. It is a like building blocks of your house. So there are two types of components in React. First, functional component, second, class-based component. Let's talk about the functional component. What is the functional component? So in React, functional component uses JavaScript function. It uses hooks like useState and useEffect. And functional component are cleaner and modern syntax. So it means if we use functional component, that is we are using cleaner and modern syntax. So let's talk about the class-based component. What is the class-based component? It uses JavaScript classes and it uses state using this dot state or this dot set state. So if we talk about the life cycle of the component for class based and function based, so in function it has lifecycle method like C. So if we talk about lifecycle phase, so there are three phases of lifecycle. First, mount phase when component loads. Second, updating phase after loading the component. Third, unmounting phase when component unmount. So first talk about the mounting phase. For class-based component, mounting phase happens first like constructor loads, and after loading the constructor, component did mount works. And in the functional component, it works like if we use useEffect. For the updating phase of the life cycle, so in class-based component, there are two types of component: should component update and component did update. So in functional component, we uses useEffect for both should component update and component did update. So last phase, if we talk about the last phase, which is unmounting. In class-based component, there is a component will unmount method which finds the unmounting of the component. And in functional component, there is a useEffect method which find the unmounting phase of the component. So in this video, that is for all. Thank you so much for this watching video.